See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about this issue and tell me what you think in the comment section.
Nigerians, joy is coming. That means there is hope. This APC, among themselves, they will soon explode. Among themselves, you know, where there is power and money, there is always betrayal. As Wike is this night, so many people inside APC are envying the guy. They are even plotting for him inside the same party. That they believe his power is too much and they really want to mess him up. So joy is coming to we the people. Christians, you are fasting now. Muslims, you are fasting now. Our prayer point shouldn't be Nigeria fix Nigeria. They should fix Nigeria. Our prayer point now should be make they don't understand themselves again in their camp, because joy is coming. I still see joy coming. So our prayer point, we are fasting, is unique time for, Muslim and Christian fasting at the same time. We can't fight them. They have the power, they have the money, they have the connection, they have everything. They are commander-in-chief. But joy is coming. Joy is coming. So we, as the people, should just wait. That APC will scatter. There will be betrayal. People betray Jesus Christ. So you think someone will just come and put Nigeria and have Nigeria like that? Bam! No. No. It looks like they are winning now. No, they are not winning. It's just looking like that. Joy is coming. Don't give up. Don't lose hope. Even when you see the results tonight, don't stress yourself about it. When the crack come now from inside their party, they go be cut wele. And the time is not far. In the next 6-9 months, you will see the crack. So it's from there you will see that the people's will, you can't suppress people's will forever. No champion forever. No leader forever. There was a time that we had PDP. No be PDP, they don't cut to mosquito now. PDP don't talk to mosquito. So that means this APC, the Egyptians you are seeing today, you shall see them no more very soon. We have done the protest, we have done everything we need to do as a people. Now, watch God's work. Well done.